Hi, my name is Christy Legg. I'm the dance teacher here at G.S Lakie Middle School, and we're very excited to have some guest teachers come in from Toronto, Ontario. So the Lakie Dance Program partnered up with LCI in order to bring in Gadfly. They're an innovative urban dance company from Toronto. They've worked with many famous artists, dance companies, post-secondary dance schools, and their work has been featured in many movies, commercials, and they've even won the prestigious Dora Award. All 170 Lakie dance performer students got to participate in a workshop with Ophelio and Apollonia. These are the artistic directors of Gadfly. This video footage is of some of the students that are learning a piece choreographed that will be featured in our show. And I just think it's really important to bring in new professional dancers and choreographers in order to inspire students and give them a new perspective.
Hi, I'm Apollonia Velasquez.
This is Ophelio Simbadinho.
And we're co-artistic directors and choreographers of Gadfly Dance Company. We currently live in Toronto and travel in many cities across Canada, but it's our first time here in Lethbridge, and we were invited by these two schools, and we're actually doing quite a few things. So we teaching workshops, but also setting pieces on the different groups that they'll be performing in a few months.
Yeah, so we're just teaching them, kind of sharing how we see movement. So we're giving them a different range of techniques or pull from different styles, but not necessarily teaching them as a style per se. We just want them, I think there's one of the few things we want to leave here is the idea of creativity. Just create whatever you see. If it's just like, if this is you wake up and you do this in the morning, but this can be a move. And you come up with something with that. Or so I think creativity is the main thing. The second thing would be like character, personality, have something to say, have an opinion. So through workshops, we're teaching them different kind of ways of moving. They learn more how to control and let go their body, let go their inhibitions. And through actually set pieces that we do, I think it's just about the push and push and push.
Yeah, we're only here a few days, so everything feels very fast, specifically for them, more than us. So they have to be alert and absorb all the material, and then they'll get to practice it and perform it. Yeah, they're learning a short piece, but intricate, so I don't want to say it's an easy short piece, no. We've sort of stacked a bunch of concepts and ideas in that choreography, and then they get to perform it at the end of, for their show.
Yeah, I think because we're surprised the first day, the first 5 minutes, we're like, okay, let's get a feel for them, see how they are, what the level is. Not just skill-wise, but like here and here, like how open they are. In the 5 minutes, we're like, okay. So then we change our plan and we give them a piece that was more intricate. It's a piece that's actually from our company, from repertoire from our company. So professionals have outperformed this like across Canada and New York. So it's just a little chunk of something that really is going to push them and try to give them something that is not just entertainment. It's like requires character, creativity, imagination. So yeah, and they're doing really good, really good.
Thank you for the warm welcome. Everybody's been so nice,
Yeah.
and also the talent is really, like, people are very talented and really hungry to learn, so that just gives us so much energy and excitement to be here.
Yeah.